This tiny ESP32 Bitcoin miner has been running for over 100 days, and in all that time it found exactly 0 Bitcoin. At that point I had two choices: leave it as a funny desk experiment or give it a real job. So I turned it into a Pocket Admin Toolkit. It's completely offline, fully touch-based and built for quick admin tasks that I actually use. Elecrow provided this CrowPanel for an earlier review. They did not commission this project. This was something I wanted to build myself after finishing the review. I don't want to build another clock, weather display or generic system monitor. I wanted something practical that could stay on my desk and actually help me during everyday work. So I gave myself a few simple rules. No soldering, no extra buttons, no external server, and no cloud. For development, I used CLion with PlatformIO. That lets me use the Arduino framework while keeping everything inside a proper JetBrains development environment. Uploading the firmware is simple. I just connect the CrowPanel over USB, build the project and upload it directly to the ESP32. The only challenge was the touchscreen. The display worked immediately, but this ESP32 Miner version uses a different touch configuration than the standard CrowPanel. After updating the touch configuration and calibration, everything started working correctly. The first tool is a CIDR calculator. Instead of searching online every time, I can immediately see the subnet mask, wildcard mask, total number of addresses, and usable host for my prefix. The second tool is a Linux permission calculator. I simply tap the permission I want, and it immediately shows both the symbolic format and the numeric chmod value. The toolkit also includes quick offline references for common HTTP status code and network ports. I deliberately kept everything offline. These tools don't need Wi-Fi, cloud services, accounts or API keys. They should work instantly every time I power on the device. What I like most is that this no longer feels like a Bitcoin miner. It feels like a real tool, and I think that's exactly what small devices like this should become. This is only version 1. I'm already thinking about adding something more, maybe cron helper, or Docker references, or maybe Git command. So this will probably become a series of Pocket Admin Toolkit projects. What tool would you add next? Let me know in the comments.